How to disable Bitdefender on Windows/Mac. 2 quick solutions. Method 1. On Windows. Step 1. First open Bitdefender by double-clicking on the Bitdefender icon in the system tray or the desktop. Step 2. Once Bitdefender opens, go to Protection on the left side of the dashboard. Step 3. Click Open in the Antivirus section, then go to the Advanced tab. Step 4. Toggle Bitdefender Shield off, then click Yes in the User Account Control window. Step 5. Select the duration and click OK in the pop-up window. Step 6. Now go to the Settings tab and disable Scan CD and DVD, Scan flash drives and Scan mapped network drives. Step 7. Click Return to Protection, then click Open in the Advanced Threat Defense pane. Step 8. Go to the Settings tab and toggle off Advanced Threat Defense. Step 9. Click Return to Protection again, then toggle off Firewall Anti-Spam Ransomware Remediation and Vulnerability. Step 10. Once done, click Settings in the Online Threat Prevention pane, then toggle off everything under Web Protection and Network Protection. Step 11. For email protection, click the drop-down menu and select Don't Scan Emails. Step 12. Next, go to Privacy and click Settings in the SafePay pane. Step 13. Go to the Settings tab and toggle off all 3 settings. Step 14. Click Return to Privacy, then click Settings in Password Manager. Step 15. Click here at the bottom of the page, then go to the Settings tab. Step 16. Toggle off Wallet, then click Return to Privacy. Step 17. Toggle off Anti-Tracker, then click Open VPN and disconnect Bitdefender VPN. Step 18. Click Settings in the Video and Audio Protection pane, then go to the Settings tab. Step 19. Toggle off Webcam Protection and Microphone Monitor, then click Return to Privacy. Step 20. Click Configure in the Parental Control pane, sign in if prompted, then click View under the profile. Step 21. Click on the 3 dots on the device and click Unassign. Step 22. Now go to Utilities, click Settings under Profile and toggle off Activate Profiles automatically. Step 23. Click Yes, disable on the pop-up prompt to proceed. Step 24. To enable, you need to re-enable the modules one by one. Method 2. On Mac. Step 1. Click on the B icon on the menu bar on the top right side of the screen. Step 2. Select Open Antivirus Interface and wait for it to open. Step 3. Click Preferences on the bottom right side of the screen, then toggle off Bitdefender Shield in the Protection tab. Step 4. Select the duration in the pop-up window and click OK. Step 5. Now go to Protection, then go to the Anti-Ransomware tab. Step 6. Toggle off Safe Files and Time Machine Protection. Step 7. Next, go to Privacy, click Open under Bitdefender VPN and disconnect the VPN in the new window. Step 8. Open Safari, click the Safari menu and select Preferences. Step 9. You should be able to access the Extension tab. Uncheck the boxes next to Traffic Light and Anti-Tracker to turn them off. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.